Hey, what's going on, guys? Sergio here outside of the office in this beautiful Arizona weather right now. Summer has dissipated. We're enjoying these 80 degree days now, and I wanted to step outside and share a little bit of insight that I've helped a couple of my buyers with over the last couple of weeks. So my lender and I sat down last week because some of our buyers are trying to purchase properties that are exceeding the loan limits that are offered with a conventional loan. So with a conventional loan, if you're financing more than $625,000, typically we have to look for some other options as to how we can close the gap for the additional amount that you need. So my clients are actually looking for what's called a multi-unit property, which is more than a fourplex and it exceeds a $625,000 financed amount. So my lender and I found out that he does offer what's called a jumbo loan. So with jumbo loans, just like your FHA, USDA, conventional VA loans, there are some parameters that you want to make sure you stay within in order to qualify for this kind of loan. First and foremost, the jumbo loan product that we have to offer you is more than $625,000 up to a $3 million financing limit. That's right, up to $3 million. And also with that $3 million loan limit, my lender does have different down payment options for you as well. You can get in with as little as 10% down, or somewhere in between that and 20% is what he will ask of you in order to secure that loan. Typically, we can get in with a 10% down payment, but in some instances, you need to put down a little bit more. That's the down payment option. You want to make sure your credit is at 720 or above as well. Just like all other loans, there is a credit requirement as well. Debt to income is very important with this as well. You want to make sure your DTI, or debt to income, does not exceed the 43% limit. So one way that my lender works directly with my clients in order to make sure we keep a good balance of this is getting their CPA involved or your accountant. Some of my buyers in this category, they own multiple businesses or they own a business. So they're not your traditional salary employee or hourly employee. Taxes are done a little bit different. And when you're working with your CPA or your accountant, typically they have all of your tax information already, including property and loss reports. And in some instances, my lender can add some of those deductions back into your income in order to help you qualify for a little bit more of a property. But again, making sure you have your CPA and your lender working together can assure that you keep this transaction as smooth as possible from start to finish. Also assure that you're doing your due diligence on what financial institutions can actually offer this for you. Not everybody does offer a jumbo loan. Not everybody's parameters are the same. Interest rates fluctuate as well. Down payments fluctuate as well. So just make sure you're doing your due diligence and making sure that you are finding the right product for yourself. The last couple things I want to make sure that you guys are aware of is reserves. Obviously, when you're getting an FHA, conventional, or VA loan as well, you want to have some financial reserves or money in the bank or a retirement account that you can pull from when you're going to purchase a property. That's no different with a jumbo loan. You do want to make sure that you do have some reserves in the bank in order to show the lender. Underwriting is typically going to look at this as well, just to make sure that they are comfortable taking on the risk and giving you this big loan. So the last thing I wanted to talk about is the only pushback I ever get when working with clients is it seems like there's a little more paperwork involved with this. Those little meticulous items are going to help us ultimately get a solid approval and get the loan closed, most importantly. This is why I cannot emphasize using your CPA or your accountant in the transaction to make sure that we have all of the credentials, all your financials in place. This way we don't come across any hiccups during the escrow process. So again, guys, this is what a jumbo loan is. It is something that my lender and I have helped clients with in the past, and it's something that is an option for you as well. Give me a call, shoot me a text, 480-235-0617 if you have any additional questions, but I'll see you guys on the next one.